What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? So we have a ZL1 on the left here. This is our customer from New York. Its car's been here for a little bit. We're doing some little mods to it. One of the videos we're probably gonna end up making about this vehicle is we're taking the heat exchanger out of it, the AFCO heat exchanger, and we're installing the AC cooling system setup from Australia. I guess it uses the AC to cool the intercooler in the supercharger there for better IATs, lower IATs. So we're going to be looking into that, doing some videos about that as well. But this video is going to be about the installation of a Corsa exhaust system, which is sitting over there. This vehicle used to have a Cook's exhaust system on it. If you look back through some of my videos, this car actually made 822 horsepower on the dyno down at Keith's Pit Stop. We did a ton of mods: heads, cam, ported blower, solid drive shaft. It has a triple disc clutch in it now that we installed a while ago while I was in here, and it does have coated Cook's headers. I'm sure you guys are probably interested to hear what this thing sounds like without any exhaust on it at all, which is what we're gonna do now. So we'll let you hear what that thing sounds like. It's really loud. We'll lower it down here on the left and start her up and let you guys hear that thing idle with no exhaust whatsoever. I will warn you, it is extremely loud. Now that that's all done and over with, let's get to work. All right, obviously the very first thing we have to do here is unpack the box. We have her open, so let's see what this exhaust system looks like, guys. We got nice little plastic, this styrofoam stuff. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. In the wind. In the wind. Let's see if we can catch it on the fan. Nope. Let's see if we can hit the fan here. Maybe we can, maybe we can't. Oh, dang it. That's a strong fan. Whenever I get a dyno, that's going to be my dyno fan. All right, we got more here. Oh, let's see. Nope, negative. We have some nice instructions here. Got a cool Corsa sticker from them guys there. We have some side pipes, it looks like. Put them down here on the ground, like so. We have some very, very nice looking Corsa mufflers. Man, I tell you what, Corsa, you guys do a hell of a job on a muffler and tip, especially these tips. These things are so nice looking. Oh, so pretty. Let's put that right here, nice and clean looking. Go ahead and lift this guy up here as well. They like their styrofoam now, that's for sure. There we go. Very nicely put it there. Trust me, guys, the floor is not going to hurt these things. Don't freak out. All right, what else we got? Piece of paper, some more styrofoam, and we have our clamps. So there's our clamps. And then as you guys can see, we have our off-road X pipe and our after pipes right there that go over the, or underneath the back axle to connect to the muffler. So that's pretty much what you got. You got these pipes, all looks like it's all stainless steel stuff, very nicely made. Those pipes, and then we have the mufflers and the clamps. So let's put it all on and see what she sounds like. right, guys, the exhaust is all on. Let's take a look at it real quick here. We got the Cook's headers, Cook's off-road connection pipes, and then everything after that is all Corsa, as you guys can see. We have the little connection pipes for the Corsa system, all 3-inch back. There you go. Follow it back. Got nice good bends in it, nice big mufflers. And the one thing I do really like about this whole setup is those tips. Look at those tips. Mitch, you want to let this thing down? We're going to start her up, see what she sounds like. How's that sound?
Sounds like we're going to make that shit happen.
Very nice quality stuff from Corsa. The tips look amazing. I do love, can't really see the Corsa emblem on them too much. I mean, a little bit, I guess. You can kind of see them a little bit if you're looking down at the muffler tips, but they are very nicely flush with the bumper. They look very, very clean. Almost like they came like that from factory, to be honest. You guys can see more of a up to down view of the tips themselves. They fit almost perfect in there. Look at that, Mitch. What do you think?
I think they're awesome.
All right,
but
well,
it ain't about what they look like.
it's about what they sound like. So we're gonna go ahead and start this thing up and see what she sounds like, guys. All right, Mitch, go ahead. Let's start her up. See what this beast sounds like. We'll go back here where we'll get the best sound.
It's probably gonna be quiet.
It probably is going to be a little quieter. Mitch, I did before when you were out running around.
Yeah.
I actually did do a startup with just the headers, and it was extremely loud.
Yeah, this thing's stupid loud.
It was very stupid loud. So it should sound really nice now. So whenever you're ready, boss. It crackled. That thing like crackled. I'm like, oh fuck. Wow. Yeah, oh my lord. That is loud. What do you guys think? That literally scared me a little bit right in the beginning when he fired up. Literally scared me a little bit, guys. It like cracked. The car like cracked open. Freaking crazy. What do you guys think of that sound? Comment below. Let me know. Woo! Dang. That sounds really good. We'll let it warm up a little bit, and then I'll have Mitch rev it a little bit. Once we get it up to temperature here, see what she sounds like. You know what I mean? I'm sure she's gonna sound really, really freaking good, guys. Really, really good. All right, guys, she's warmed up. We let her warm up for about 10 minutes now. We got good temperature. Yep, she's warmed up. Well, Mitch, you want to give her a little bit of rev, buddy? Wow, guys, holy smokes. Corsa definitely has a loud, snappy exhaust. Very, very snappy exhaust. But there you go, guys. That's what a Corsa, pretty much a Corsa catback or non-cat catback sounds like on a ZL1 making 820 some horsepower at the wheels. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing, guys. Deuces.